This senior girl had an unobstructed view of the light horizon. This allows an adequate amount of light into the eyes. Plus, I was using a 300mm lens, and because it was a very humid, hazy day, that haze provided enough fill and reduced the contrast of the shadows. This is the view to the west that she was facing. You can see the haze in the air and the clear, bright view to the horizon. I'm standing in another senior's yard on an overcast day where there's a darker cloud cover overhead and a lighter horizon. I needed that kind of light because I wanted a loose look to the posing, and I didn't want to have her movement be restricted by big light control devices. That's especially important with full-length poses. Look at the long catchlight in her eye on the underlay image. That shows the shape of the predominant light source, which in this case was the bright sky near the horizon. This is pretty extreme and scary weather, but the facial lighting can be excellent. Just have the subject face that light, and don't hold on to the tripod. It's a lightning rod. This is a great example of how we can't always control the light, so we have to turn our subject to the strongest light. A senior girl wanted to be photographed skiing. The setting sun was filtering through that area of cloud cover to the west, so we had a stronger light in the west than anywhere else. So if I would have photographed her only like this, with her back to the brighter part of the sky, she would have been disappointed. However, knowing that we need the strongest light behind me, I told her dad to take her to the east side of the lake. Then I'd shoot as we were traveling west. As you can see, the light is more colorful and better on her face.